So the reason that I had the Nightlase snoring treatment done is that my wife has been pestering me to get something done about my snoring at night, and I heard that Dr. Campo does this treatment. It's definitely working. Hi, my name is Robert Galloway. I'm a patient of Campo Dentistry in New Orleans. I did receive Nightlase Laser Snoring Treatment. The Nightlase dental snoring treatment has definitely made a difference because it's allowing me to sleep a little easier without the snoring at night, thus helping my wife, which is I think even more important, to sleep through the night. If someone is interested in having the Nightlase laser snoring treatment done, I feel that Dr. Campo's office is definitely the #1 choice in the New Orleans area. He's always been on the cutting edge of technology. Combining that with the staff making you feel comfortable and warm, I think it's definitely the best choice.